Hey guys, today I will show how to buy Bitcoin and trade Bitcoin in Paxful website. How to sell Bitcoin and buy Bitcoin and also other cryptocurrency. So the legendary as the trade option has be is a trade. Now the option trade Bitcoin with Paxful. Today I will show the buy and sell Bitcoin and also other. Okay, now create an account. First at all you create a account and wallet of also gift card hub and buy Bitcoin, buy with Tether and buy with USD coin. Okay, now it become a vendor. Now first at all login and register. Okay, first at all buy. Today I will show buy Bitcoin Tether USD coin. Okay, Tether USD on theta সমান 107 USD 0.007. Okay, pay with show all. Now pay with bank transfers, online wallets, debit, credit cards, gift cards, digital currencies, cash payments, goods and services. Okay, popular in Bangladesh: Bikash e-wallet, bank transfer, PayPal, Zelle Pay, Perfect Money, Skrill. Okay, now click Bikash wallet and also the other of I want to spend USDT. Okay, I click USDC and Paxful option. So Bangladeshi taka or a British pound. Okay, GBTT, and now I will sell the Bitcoin. The same process here, Bitcoin BTC sell. Okay, now Bikash wallet. Okay, Bikash and yeah, the Bangladeshi currency is BTT. Okay, now select the Bitcoin amount of 2060 minimum 1069 টাকা of BTT. Bikash e-wallet. Okay, I want to receive Bitcoin and Bikash e-wallet. I want to receive ৭৮,০০০। Okay, so the BTC sell with 0.7. Okay, now click other option 0.45 cent. Okay, now click 17. Okay, because e-wallet BTC and also others, the bank transfer, online debit, credit cards are payment air method Paxful option. Okay, so click this option Paxful and trade in the license of Paxful trading, so you can